Ranking the best squishy dumplings moment, part 49.
Are you so excited?
And you have to count.
1, 2, 3, go.
I'm gonna take the tape off and I can open it.
Wait, do you want to count?
Okay.
3,
2,
1, go.
Oh, so hard. Come here, dumpling. The dumpling is mixing sure it's tight. I got a yellow one. I love the yellow.
3, 2, 1. Ah! Okay, my turn. Ready? Oh my god. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. 2, 1. Ah! Winner! Last one! Ah!
They were $5 a piece.
Okay, let's go. Go! No! We're going together. Sissy, go. We're going together. You're going first, Sissy.
Her color is.
Go. 3, 5. I was scared. 4.
Bring it up there.
Bring it up. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh!
What does that mean?
Oh my gosh!
What does that mean?
I got the winner one.
So what does that mean?
I got the rare one.
They're all real.
They're rare.
Oh, go ahead. What'd you get? Got the red one. Awesome. Okay, and then you're mad because you got a squishy.
It's my birthday.
Open your eyes.
So we got the 2 big dumplings, and we got these dumplings I've been wanting from. I want to either get the purple one or the lucky one. Okay, just put it here. Ooh! Get the blue though. What do we got?
Okay, go for it.